Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I am here at our resort that we're staying at in Isla Holbox at the Nomade Resort right here on the beach. We've been staying here for about 4 or 5 days now, and they have a few different options here at Nomade. You can either be on one of their ground level tent suites or you can be in one of their tree houses, as you can see behind me. We're actually staying in this one right here, and I wanted to take you guys on a little room tour to show you guys the setup because it is beautiful. And I don't want to go back. We are actually checking out tomorrow and heading back to New York. So Nomade is a great location. I've also stayed at Nomade in Tulum, and it's also a beautiful resort. So I'm gonna do this little dual capture here right at the beginning. So to start us off, we are here on the ground level right above our treehouse, which is up there. When you get here, you kind of have this little foot bath, so to speak, that you can kind of wash your feet off before you head upstairs if you get a little sandy. That's been very nice. And then after that, we go up the stairs. Vlogging up this is a little bit difficult. I will also say that after a few margaritas, these stairs have been a little bit of a challenge, but it is what it is. And just like halfway up, you can see kind of some of the beautiful beach views that we have right here at the hotel room. And so we'll keep going up. And this is our treehouse. You can see kind of the grounds of the resort. And here we got the ocean. Waking up to the ocean views and being able to have like my morning coffee with this view has been such a beautiful experience. Probably one of my favorite moments just being on this trip. So this is our little tree house. You can kind of see the staircase we just walked up down there. Let's go inside. My husband has the key. He needs to let me in. Nice. So this is our room. It's very nice. It is pretty small, but since we are already used to New York City size apartments, it's actually not that small for us. Yeah, but it's pretty much a room for the bed. Before I get out here to the best part, here we just have some storage. We have the mini bar, a little coffee maker, ooh, some wine, don't mind if I don't. And then through here we have our bathroom. Like I said, pretty tiny, but pretty sick still. Here's our mirror. We got our sink, obviously bathroom things. Here we have a shower that I actually have not used this shower because we do have a really sick outdoor shower that I've been using. And then here's just kind of the outside of the treehouse. Actually, if you can kind of see, the stairs are right there to get up. And I was like, why can I see people? That's weird. But I don't think they can see me. So then through here, we have our little balcony. So we just slide this door. And then here we are outside. So obviously we have the main view from our bedroom, which is beautiful, like these palm trees, the ocean right here. We got the Mexican flag. It's literally just pure beach paradise. And here's what I was talking about, our outdoor shower. We got like the shampoo, conditioner, body wash, some face wash and things like that here. Here we got this nice rain shower. It just kind of turns on like this. And then boom. I have been loving this shower. I'm probably gonna miss the shower the most. I think those are coconut trees. Like, are you kidding me? It is just so nice. Up here we have stairs to the roof of the treehouse. Now we have been greeted by some raccoons, some iguanas, and other lizards on these stairs. There's a bunch of those up here. But we've been spending a lot of sunsets up here actually. And from here you can see just beautiful views of the ocean. 360 views. You get more of like the Isla Holbox. See, this island is just gorgeous. Some of the other tree houses. And then here we have our little evening hangout sesh. We'll just come out here with like a glass of wine, cocktail. I'll post some footage of the sunset here to kind of show you guys a little bit just how gorgeous this place gets. But yeah. This is our hotel. It has been a beautiful vacation. This has been kind of our home away from home. Let me know in the comments if you guys have been to Isla Holbox before, or if not, where is your favorite travel destination? Let me know in the comments. So anyways, that's it for me now. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more vlogs, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I make videos every single week. We're gonna enjoy our last night here in Mexico before we head back to New York tomorrow. So anyways, that's it for me now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.